What the hell is this?
When you're about to reach boiling point, what are the best ways to cope?
There's the door! Use it!
When you feel like you're on the edge, try to get away from the situation and get some air. Find a relatively private place where you can reflect on your own. Talk to someone on the phone or in person. Make sure not to dwell on the situation. Try and switch off by listening to some music. Try some relaxation exercises, preferably in a place where you can always find some peace and quiet. Above all else, take time to relax later in the day. The sooner you can offload your stress, the easier the next day will be.